Morning, Bulls. Keith at Crypto Bullseye. We're currently trading on Jasmy coin at 0.01656. We need to look at Jasmy coin and since the last video understand exactly what Jasmy coin's done, where it's likely to move next, and whether we're holding a key area of support. Because we talked about one thing, we talked about this, the big daddy, the 200 daily moving average. Simple terms, when you're above the 200, you're bullish. When you're below the 200, you're bearish. You can go back, you can see when you're above the 200, you're bullish. You're below the 200, you're bearish. That's the most simple indicator that you can look at. That's the retail indicator. One thing that we've done is we've broken above, we've come back down, we've retested, and we're holding this as support. We're holding the 200 as support. We've also broken this key resistance point. That's an RS flip. That's come back. That's flipped as support. So we've got targets, and the targets haven't changed since the last video. It's this, the 1272 extension. Why is that important? Because we want one thing. We want this swing here, that's swing one. You've got a pullback here, swing two. And then we want swing three to be bigger than swing one. For swing three to be bigger than swing one, we need an extension more than the 1-to-1 equal measured move, i.e. the 1272. Clues look left, 1272. That coincides with this previous shelf, which acted as support until it was resistance, and then we rejected from that back below the 200 daily moving average. And this is where we are now. So we understand what needs to happen in the short term. We want this swing three to go all the way to the 1272. We're expecting a rejection of that previous shelf. And the next thing we're going to do, we've got our 200 moving average. That's our first friend. We're going to bring in another couple of friends out of our toolbox. And that's going to be the 50 period moving average. And that's going to be the 20 period moving average. So if we just bring them up now, we need to understand, have we got confluence? Are we below? Are we above? Is there any clues that these are collectively going to tell us? First thing we're going to add on is the 50 period. Why is this important? Because we are about to have a golden cross on Jasmy coin. When the 200, i.e. the green, crosses underneath the 50, i.e. the yellow, that is a golden cross. So that's what we're waiting for, and that's what's going to happen in the next couple of days. As long as price action stays above the 200, the golden cross is imminent. So we're above. That means we're bullish. We're above the 50, we're bullish. We're above the 200, we're bullish. We're above this resistance, we're bullish. And then we can add in our last moving average. Our last moving average is the 20. So the 20 period moving average, just to finish it off. And guess what, guys? We're above the 20. So we're above the 20, the 50, the 200. We're holding this resistance as support, and we're looking for our next move to the 1272, which is going to be the wave three. We want a pullback of wave four. That could be deep as this, back to 0.2. What would that do? That would reclaim this resistance point as support, push up to wave five when the bulls have got enough momentum, and then we can start making those bigger swings. Right, it is going to be short, it is going to be snappy. Go and join the Discord group. That's completely free. That's where you can have your say, and that's where you can interact with 400 people with the same different mindsets and the same self-development skills that you're all striving for and I'm striving for as well. So we're all developing together, guys. Get yourself in the Discord group. Like I say, I'm going to be doing more videos during the course of the day. See you in the next one.